Why'd it come down here? I think I just fabricated something? I just got water going. I think I was just dropping off a bunch of stuff. Nice. Help too if you want Treetop. Dude, let's go have a vacation and go say hello to Treetop. Thank you so much. I got you, dude. Don't even worry. I was doing the run to the Alcyon quests and stuff. I guess I gotta go see Teresa too. Well, god damn it. Well, it's good we got that over with. We're probably just gonna build a new ship. Honestly, it's about time to retire these old wings. Make an MK4.
Need to reload.
Okay. Let's eat some apples. How you feeling now, bud? Full stamina. No clue. I'm sitting here like, man. Nice, nice, nice. Let me get some food too, just in case. Apples, some bread, a couple cheese. Like a silly goose. I'm gonna get a Thopter, a Trooper. I heard him first. What are you talking about? Gonna get a Trooper.
God damn.
We are going in a circle.
Ooh, nice. And intel?
We go down here.
Never seen intel in a testing station.
Try and catch the rhythm. You see the sword move, you move at the same time and deflect it.
Hello, boys. You're not gonna arrest me again, are you? Fucking excellent.
Lab, so
Yeah. I think I don't know if Treetop got her Ornithopter yet or not, but Madman's over there by his old base, and where was Treetop at? It's probably like easier to just to traverse. Sus, Russ, dude. It's sus. What you been up to, man? What's been happening, bro? No, I've been using that word. Ghost peppers are hot. That's a lot, dude. That's what a poo-poo platter is. Not the splatters. What are we talking about? What is happening? Feels good, man. Tastes good, too. It's a weird system, too. I thought I only had one bottle, dude. I've got 4 of them. Wait. Haggle. Drop it somewhere. Right here, next to this poop. Seems like a pretty good spot.
Mitigation to fire or reds or poison, any of that.
I
It
mean,
just has a decent armor.
my other
number.
still suit was only heat protection. What's happening? Big chillin', dude. big coolin', dude. Quite enjoying the life and times. Other stuff too.
Man, do you find your suspensor belts and shit you're constantly repairing?
Dude, bro, every day, Poggers. Batista bombs and shit. Jedi Survivor right now? Poggers after Jedi Survivor, perhaps. So, like, it feels so vague and convoluted, and there's not really, like, good examples on how to do it. It's just trial and error, really. And the archery's fucked, bro. Or at least the bow I was using.
Well, on Red Hook server. On this server, I haven't been able to sell one for more than like 75, but...
The schematics for those cutter raids?
Yeah.
Still pretty
You
good.
get more money if you build it and sell it.
I wonder how the second game looks. Hold on, I'm just curious. Cock. Did she give me keys or something?
Is someone there?
Nope.
Not the best.
Yours? For sure.
Yeah, I went exploring a bit. There's a couple really nice bases in like the far east side of the map by the rift.
Mm-hmm.
Again to keep you alive with his potions.
Nice.
That quack doesn't come cheap. I paid him what I could, but I still, that is, you still owe him. I see.
Yeah, I just want to have like a
Really
shit ton of
need
water.
Until you
Use
get
your-
into Bustanian.
Your map here.
What's up, dude? What's up, Egg? I feel like you're a mom recording me or something.
Hi, honey. Say hi.
Yeah.
Say hi for the camera.
One more guy. Maybe we can steal a shovel from this guy. Man, what's the command? Watch time? Follow age. Follow age. One word. Oh, there is a shovel.
Saddled it up and rode it out of the town gate. no, we can see that this wasn't going to end well. So, Sir Peter and I rode off.
Got turned around. Dude, of course. Thank you, Donuts. Appreciate you being on the server. If you need anything, man, give me a holler. I got you. About to invent pair.
And Neebies to sleepy. Mibsile sleepy and need bed by time.
Get some resource.
What's the like resource node you want to farm in the deep desert? Is there one or?
Titanium and Stravidium.
Okay.
My mouse is about to die.
You don't have a wired mouse, dude?
Hell no.
It's a crazy life, bro. Cook Chicken, it was nice knowing you. Hello, Cook Chicken. Nice to meet you. Alright, let's see how he feels about cooked chickens. Up to, do you want like you could probably craft a survey probe. Like, what's your quest right now? What's your first quest?
Just now told me to abandon my first base. I'm like, okay, cool.
Suki appeared out of nowhere yesterday, and she's back for seconds. Dude, the Suki master herself, dude. Suki, what's your followage? You've been following for like 2.5, maybe 3 years. This fucking guy comes out of nowhere. Share a good time.
Sector weather alert. A large
Sector
sandstorm
weather
is
alert.
approaching.
Where's my ornithopter? Is it safe? Should be. Yes, I should be hitting a lot harder now. Inspiration, need charge. Eye of the Storm. Perfect.
We know he's had past dealings with Squatter.
Alright, nice. Oh, did I rank up, dude? Fuck yeah, I did. Oh my god. Oh, I might go down here.
Shields up!
Yeah, I'm gonna die probably. Unless. Oh. I wonder if merchants in this game have like unlimited gold. Or if like they have a limited amount of gold. I've got Jasmium. Well, no, you honestly, if you just wanted to make an ornithopter for yourself, you would just need aluminum. You could farm for it if you wanted. I should have some. Good day's sleep. No rain today, or it rained earlier, I suppose. I don't know, it wasn't raining whenever I went outside. Dude, Skittle, that's cool, dude. If you're on the same server as me, I'd be fucking stoked. Alright, perfect. All is well in the world. Someone on the road. Doesn't look too bad, but what I need to do is just move this closer to this, but I need to move all that other stuff out of the way. I might be able to put room for one more. From that, I'm about to take this mask off, dude. It's definitely been an hour. Oof. Definitely been an hour, dude. Let the face breathe. Yeah, Willie, for sure. I'll stop by real quick. I need to go see where Madman and Fox are at, too.
Gossip. Maybe another time.
Okay. You don't want to go together? You sure? Is it safe? Fancy doing something again?
Fancy doing.
Oh, she's big walking. See how he's doing, dude. Oh, Holland. He's meowing. The stinky boy. Stinky cheese. How long do we got to patrol for, dude? Sure. If.
Rolls, buns, and pretzels for you.
Is he upstairs or something, maybe? Is this guy the fucking bailiff? Wish I knew I had all those bottles of schnapps before, dude. The lockpicking's weird. Be careful. Whoa, how do you do this? This is a pretty town, man. It's a shame it got destroyed. Maybe. I agree. You know what I mean? Oops.
Can we trade?
Lockpicks, dude. I'll get mad at you for punching chickens. I've tried this before. No one reacted, but that was a different city. I don't know if chickens are held in different statuses for different regions of or cities.
Here. Hell! Answer me, damn you!
This peasant insulted me. I had to teach him a lesson.
By rolling around in the mud like a hog? That's a fine example.
Bro, all roads kind of do lead to roads. The city of Rhodes. Holy shit, I'm stoned. Let's go, dude. Should I eat a fucking